This is a demonstration of my Denon Personal component system I have for sale. Right now I have it connected to some very high quality Mission M71 speakers that are in mint condition. I'm selling those separately, but they work perfectly with this Denon system. Okay, so we have a CD loaded in the drawer. We'll hit the button to close it. And that's the only thing that I think is not perfect about this, and it's that you have to help close the CD tray. It powers itself almost in, but doesn't stop there. Okay, so now we'll zoom out and take a look at the remote, because I want to show you that the remote is included and it works perfectly. So down here in the CD section, I'll hit the play button. Now we'll come back over here and show that we can advance I'm turning down the volume using the remote. Now I'll turn back up the volume. That's pretty much it. I tested the FM radio, but out here we don't have many stations. I hooked up a wire to the rear antenna terminals and was able to pick up the one station. Now we'll hit the stop button. We'll take a look around the rear of the unit and the speakers. And I'm going to include these monster cables with the speakers. Those are the interconnections between the two units. That's it.